what's hot, foodies? Now, I'm quite sure that you will also agree that COVID-19 has changed the game for us foodies drastically. Like, there used to be times when we used to halt at our favorite cafes and restaurants and hog like there's no tomorrow. But then again, I think that I need the comfort, assurance, safety, and nutrition that my ghar ka khana gives me in these testing times. And one fine day, the god of food heard me because that's when I stumbled upon Eventia Kitchen that cancels all my worries. Like, they give me the best of my home cooked food needs with a restaurant style twist. Eventia Kitchen is all about bespoke gourmet culinary experiences that you can cherish at the comfort of your home. So this amazing cloud kitchen in the city does both vegetarian as well as non-vegetarian ones. But at the moment, they only have 4 platters on offer, including Awadhi, Lebanese, Mexican, and Sadi Dilli. So what I have in front of me is a delicious 3-course Awadhi meal that has an appetizer, a main course offering, and some desserts to go with. For the appetizers, I have Rajma Galoti, which is served alongside Zafran Parathas, and some pickled onions and mint chutney to go with. For the main course, I'm going to devour this delicious Bengan biryani that is served with salan. And for the desserts, my heart goes out to my all-time favorite, Shahi Firni. If I have to describe this biryani in just one word, it has to be scrumptious. The salan is piquant and it adds to the original flavor of biryani, which gives you a blast of flavors. Now, what I received in this vegetarian Lebanese platter by Eventia is classic hummus, tzatziki, pickled vegetables, lavash, falafel with mini caboose, paneer shawarma, baba ganoush, and chocolate hazelnut cake. So let the bitch fest begin. This falafel with pita bread is so nice. All in all, this platter steals the show for me. And I'm so lucky that I ordered from Eventia tonight also, because again, it's very flavoursome, it knows what its job is, and the most important factor, all homemade food with a restaurant style twist. While I am in the city, my taste buds are in Mexico today, and I think it's the perfect moment to call up Eventia Kitchen and try their Mexican platter. So this platter includes sour cream, salsa, guacamole sauce, gazpacho soup, nacho chips, burrito with rice and refried beans along, and chocolate hazelnut cake. So my taste buds ticket to Mexico has arrived and I am going straight. Bye. This Mexican platter by Eventia Kitchen features authentic Mexican flavors to die for. Seriously saying. दिल्ली में रह के अगर आपने दिल्ली नहीं किया तो क्या किया? Well, I'm talking about Eventia Kitchen's Dille Dilli platter that offers me all my favorite Punjabi offerings. So this platter comprises Dal Dilli, which is chef's special dal makhani, butter paneer masala, bharwan malai kebab, hari chutney, sirka pyaz and some cucumber salad, zatar lacha paratha, lifafa paratha, and for desserts we have baked bundi rabdi. This dal makhani and this butter paneer masala are so scrummy, and I also love the fact that its lacha paranthas are so fresh and so chewy. Kudos to you, Eventia Kitchen, you have done a fantastic job. Besides the aroma, flavor and appeal of the food, what I absolutely love about Eventia Kitchen is the fact that they make sure your food is delivered safely. They also make sure that it doesn't get spoiled on the way and you receive it in its best state. So whether you are a total booker like me or you have your guest coming up, Eventia Kitchen is just a call away to deliver some freshness and deliciousness at your doorsteps. Order now.